Hello, this is Manasvi from the team Works on a Machine, and I've created this app called Canteen Roulette, which is like a very simple app which kind of solves the decision-making fatigue of what you want to eat. So let's get started, and I'll start off with the institutional login. You can click on the sign in with Google option, and then it will lead you to the list of your Google accounts. You can select the student ID. Okay, so this is the homepage, and it has all the different popular choices from all the different canteens available throughout campus. It shows me my recent activity as well. Coming back to the core functionality, which is the roulette. This is how the roulette looks like, and it has these different filter options as well. You can filter out stuff based on the filters feature, and then let's try spinning this. It will find all the options on campus and select something. So it recommended me start out the pump from the management canteen. I can either straight up place the order from here, or I can discover the same thing off campus, which is either near me. My location can be anywhere in the entire world, or maybe near Somaya campus. So let's just try this feature first. So as you can see, these are all different list of restaurants that offer this menu item around me. So it can be used as a general decision-making tool as well, and not something just limited to the campus or the campus students. And then finding it near Somaya campus itself, it just shows me again a list of all the different restaurants that offer this menu item around the Somaya campus. As you can see, I'm using Google Maps for this recommendation. Anyways, coming back to the roulette, like I said, you can just straight up order the menu item from campus itself. So this is just a mock order. This is how it would basically look like if this was actually implemented through a centralized process. So as you can see, I have a verification OTP generated, which helps me verify my order and pick up my order safely. And as you can see, you can confirm my collection once I collect my item, and it will appear in the history option. And okay, so this is the explore page, and it has the menus from all the different canteens. So there were a total of 5 canteens and 3 messes, but there's still menus, information, and data to be collected from the other menus. But I've included all the other options, which are short. Okay, so this is the Aurobindo canteen. As you can see, I can just browse through the different sorts of paid puris and sev puris. And if I suppose want to have something from the Maggie house, then I can simply go through the different flavors that's available. As you can see, all right. So similarly, I have it for the engineering canteen as well. I can just browse through, say, the sandwiches. If I want to see what are the sandwiches available, I can just scroll through horizontally and find it out. And then when coming to the mess, which offers us unlimited thali for 70 rupees per plate, I can simply open the menu, which opens as a PDF. And as you can see, they have the entire menu for all the 4 weeks, the entire month available. And you can just browse through that, and I can just simply add it to my bag or order it. So add to the bag is like another option where you can order multiple things from multiple places. So if I want to have the thali from maybe the mess, if I want to have coffee from a different canteen. And if I head to the orders, I can just order both of them together. But I'll have to use the same OTP to verify on both the places. So it just goes on the same way. It's just that you have to pick up from different spots. So as you can see, I'll just confirm my pickup and it just shows up in the history as well. Coming to the profiles, it shows you the amount of spins that you did, the amount of items that you were able to find and order. And then I've also provided a light mode for certain users. And people can select veg and anything. But the thing is, anything can be only used for off-campus discovery because the campus is entirely vegetarian. So the roulette's off-campus feature plays a very important role in finding options which are off-campus and non-vegetarian options for the non-vegetarian crowd, which has been a reported problem as well. So it not just solves the decision-making fatigue, but also these different problems which appear in the day-to-day life of every student. And it's a daily dilemma basically. And we are just trying to solve it via this small application. If there's someone who's not a student or associated to Somaya campus itself, they can simply use the guest feature which I've provided. You can just log in as a guest, and then it works the same way. It's just that the history is not tracked, and yeah, that's the only downside. Otherwise, they can just discover the entire menu and they can order stuff if they have visited the campus or are a visitor as well. So even that can be done. Or they can simply use the off-campus feature to solve this dilemma in their day-to-day life, which is a very common dilemma in everybody's life. So this is like a general tool as well. So that's all from my side. Signing off. Manasvi Tiwari. Thank you so much for watching this video.